Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I painted this purple galaxy and mountain. I first started with cadmium orange on the horizon of the mountain and blended it into a pink. I added more pink pigment as I worked towards the top of the painting and then started blending the pink into a violet purple. I then mixed indigo blue and violet purple for the top of the painting to give it more depth, making sure that every time I go in to blend the colours I'm doing it with a clean brush. I then added a light touch of blue and pink to the mountain and let that dry. Now I'm adding in the clouds. I do this by painting with white gouache and then using a clean damp brush to blend them out to get rid of the harsh lines. Then I added the stars with my paintbrush tapping technique, where one brush is loaded with paint and then tapped against a clean brush to evenly spray the stars onto the paper. Now I'm going into the mountain by using violet purple and indigo mixed together. I add in small details using lines and dots to make the mountain look realistic, and then add washed out colours to give the mountain some shadows. Next I'm going in with the trees by drawing a vertical line and then random brush strokes for the branches. Lastly, I'm using white gouache to paint the snow onto the trees by painting small horizontal and diagonal lines. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if this helped you out and tag me on Instagram if you tried this painting. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.